Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm very excited to be trying out a product from a brand that I'm not familiar with. This is called Jazmine Beauty, and here I have the Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara that I got in my August 2022 Ipsy glam bag. I love trying out mascaras. I'm very picky, but this sounds incredible. It's supposed to be lengthening, curling, volumizing, and conditioning. That really is everything I want in a mascara. It's supposed to not smudge or flake for 24 hours. This is actually a sample size too, which this is a great sample size mascara. The full size retails for $24. And when I was looking this up online, I just felt like this was such a beautiful brand. I love the aesthetics. They have so many products that I'm very interested in trying out. So I'm excited to get into this. So let's see what this wand looks like. Oh, and this also is cruelty free. Okay. It's like a spiral brush wand that's kind of hourglass shaped that you can see. I like the size of this. It doesn't seem too big, like it's going to be hard to use or get mascara everywhere, but let's go ahead and find out. It easily applies mascara to every lash, and it's not going on clumpy at all. It doesn't seem to be separating the lashes very well though. That's something that I really like to see in my mascaras is separation, and this is already making the lashes stick together a lot, but it is sticking all the way from root to tip, so it's lengthening but just not super volumizing when it makes the lashes stick together like that. And I'm getting a lot of mascara on my eyelid, but let's see if it smudges. Not really. That actually comes off pretty easily, which is nice. I feel like this could be good on the lower lashes, so let's see how that does. Yeah, pretty good. Since it's not clumping, it gets all the lashes, lengthens them. I did still get a little bit mascara on my under eye, but it does come off pretty easily. It goes on as kind of like a wet formula, so I think that's why it keeps getting mascara all over my under eye and my eyelid. But I just picked up some more. Let's see how it layers up. It's actually not layering up very easily. Like, it feels like it has now dried, where I said it goes on pretty liquidy. It's now dried, and it's hard to really even brush through anymore and really get it to layer up. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm not loving this, since I'm not able to build it up to the volume that I want, and the lashes are looking kind of spidery from having to stick together like that. And I hate when a mascara is so messy, and this seriously just gets everywhere. So I guess this is where I have to stop, so you can see how my lashes look. They're okay, but definitely not my favorite mascara. Let's go ahead and see how it is on the other eye. Since it seems to dry down and not really let me layer it up, I'm going to try and work quickly while it's still wet to layer it up and get the lashes to look as close to how I want them as possible. But I already feel like I need to dip the wand back in. Like, it doesn't hold that much product, and it's already drying down, so it actually does kind of dry down quickly. And I wasn't really able to get much volume from that first application. So trying to work quickly, dipping the wand back in. Let's see if I can build it up. Yeah, that does work a little better. Like, the quicker you can work with it to layer it up, the better, but even still, it is hard to brush it through. Hard to layer it up. I feel like it's so hard to work with for a mascara, which mascaras aren't usually very hard products to work with, but this is not easy to layer up, not easy to apply, messy, and those claims sounded so great, but I am just not seeing that. I do like that it doesn't smudge and that it's easy to brush away when you do get it on the eyelid. But I'm just not loving how my lashes are looking. So I'm a little bummed that I don't love this product as much as I was hoping I would, but just because I'm not blown away by this mascara doesn't mean that I don't want to try out more products from this brand, which if you have tried out any other Jazmine beauty products, I would love to hear in the comments down below how they are. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.